Dictation number 141. We ready? Start. Sir, when I take part in the discussion first of a wish to point out that the Sarkaria Commission was not given a free hand to examine the developments which had taken place in the last 60 years in India, full stop. That main important point is the terms of reference, full stop. By the terms of reference, certain parameters had been fixed. Within those parameters, the Sarkaria Commission had submitted its report, full stop. There are more than 20 recommendations, full stop. Due to lack of time, it is not possible to deal largely with all these recommendations, full stop. But at the same time, the Commission has tried to find out the past history of India, full stop. The Commission had said that too much centralization was objected to from the Mauryan period to the Mughal period, full stop. The Commission has stated the fact, full stop. Similarly, under the British rule also centralization was actually objected to by the people, by the states, full stop. Para. The founding fathers of our constitution were painfully conscious that the feeling of Indian nationhood was still in the making and required to be carefully nurtured, full stop. They therefore built a constitutional structure with a powerful central government envisaging the emergence of an invisible and integrated India, full stop. The concept of a strong center which is necessary to meet India's immediate needs was virtually in the later period converted into the concept of a unitary state with priority for the center in all cases, full stop. This was the basis of the process of excessive centralism with all powers in the hands of the center, full stop. India is developing on the path of capitalism, especially monopoly capitalism, full stop. When monopoly capitalism develops in a country, full stop, it is then natural that the general argument will be for centralization of the powers in the hands of the central government because they want to protect the interests of the monopoly capitalists and also help the capitalists, full stop. So that is the natural argument, full stop. This argument has been there for the last so many years, full stop. But over centralization has taken place and we know that it has taken place, full stop. What is the result now? Question mark. Many are talking about the unity of the country, about the integrity of the country, full stop. But what has happened in the states? Question mark. Communal forces have grown, divisive forces have grown, and the integrity of the country has been jeopardized, full stop. When the powers were vested in the hands of the center, why has the center failed? Question mark. Para. The Khalistan movement is there and there are other movements also, secessionist movements, full stop. Now, some people are demanding a Jharkhand state and then there is a demand for an Uttarakhand state, full stop. These are all developing, full stop. There was a similar demand in Darjeeling, full stop. But fortunately that has been sold now, full stop. But other so and so tendencies are growing and the center has not been able to control them, full stop. The center has not been able to prevent them, full stop. But they think that only for the center and not for the states that the unity of the people has to be maintained, full stop. The question of center-state relations in India is not a question concerned only with the implementation of federal principles or with preventing the violation of those principles or suggesting a few constitutional amendments, but it is concerned with the question of maintaining Indian unity, maintaining and consolidating the sense of Indianness or Indian oneness among all the constituents of the Indian Union, with the center as the expression of that unity, full stop. But for maintaining that unity which has enabled us to compel the British to quit, the constituent units have not received any reward in the integration of the units, because the constituent units consisted of big territories, each with its own language and heritage, and in these huge linguistic national units their linguistic identity and sense of unity grew side by side with the identity of the union, full stop. So a deep thought has to be bestowed on how to maintain the unity with the support of the people, with the support of the states, full stop. But that is not the concern of the central government, full stop. The Sarkaria Commission has been able to make certain recommendations within certain parameters, full stop. Even within those parameters, two recommendations are there, full stop. One is that it is neither advisable nor necessary to make any drastic change in the basic character of the constitution, full stop. The second is that the electoral system can be continued like this, full stop. In the second recommendation, the Commission says that it certainly calls for improvement and reform in a number of aspects, full stop. The actual working of the Constitution leaves much to be desired, full stop. It has said that about the changes proposed in the financial aspects of the Indian Union and the states, full stop. The arrangements are far from satisfactory, full stop. It has said about the role of the governor's reservation of state bill for consideration of the president use of extraordinary powers, etc., full stop. The Commission has said about the Intergovernmental Council with a comprehensive size, full stop. It has said about a National Economic Development Council having a nexus with the Planning Commission, limitation of the centrally sponsored schemes, state finance and planning, etc., full stop. Overall,